All right, let's get your first Talkadot code set up. I'm gonna walk you through real simply how you do that and how you can start getting feedback very quickly. All right, so what you wanna do is click on codes right here, and then click on this orange button that says create a new code. When you go to advanced mode, this is gonna give you the most flexibility for editing and changing the survey if you want. You use the quick mode if you just wanna upload a bonus and download your slide. Let me explain what that means. So the first thing you wanna do is name this whatever you want to name it. So let's just call this leadership talk. And then you can give yourself a little description of what this talk is. Nobody sees that except you. This helps you just keep track of what you're talking about. Then you go ahead and click next. And then on each one of these questions, you are going to see the ability to hide a question. So you can hide any question if you don't want it to show up to your audience. If you want to add an additional question, you can click add a question and choose from any of the different formatted questions that we might have to offer here. So it's totally up to you. And if at any point you want to see what the survey looks like from an audience perspective, you can just click this preview button and it'll pop up what your audience is experiencing. So just go through this and make sure that everything feels like it's you and it matches what you want it to be. On the do you book speakers question, if you hide this question, you won't ask any lead generation whatsoever. But if you do keep that question and just make sure whatever lead generation questions you're asking, if it's speaking or for coaching, that all of the next couple of questions matches what you're actually trying to sell. If you click on all questions, you can delete any questions you added, hide any questions, or click on these three dots and move anything around. When you get to the bonus section, you can either upload a bonus like a PDF, video, or spreadsheet, or anything that might be useful for your audience, or you can give them a link. If you want to give them a link, just click on this second radio button, paste in the link like a Dropbox link or a link to your website, and you can give away a bonus that way, or click this and don't give anything away. Once you hit next, this will make sure that you can add any social media, make sure your calendar information is up to date. And then finally, we generate this slide for you right here. All you have to do is click on download, we download that slide, and you just take that, insert it into the end of your presentation deck, and you are set up and ready to go to start getting feedback at your very next presentation.